In the business report, Digicel says its financial turnaround has been recognized with a credit rating upgrade from international agency Fitch Ratings. The company says Fitch raised the long-term user default rating of Digicel International Finance from B to B+, while maintaining a stable outlook. The upgrade reflects Digicel's progress in reducing debt, maintaining positive cash flow, and strengthening its financial position. Fitch also cited the company's strong Caribbean market presence and noted that it has no major repayment due until 2032. MSME Alliance President Antoinette Hamilton is welcoming the launch of the government's upgraded GoJep 2.0 procurement platform, saying it should give more small businesses access to public sector contracts. Hamilton is encouraging MSMEs to familiarize themselves with the new system as the government prepares to spend an estimated $470 billion on procurement this fiscal year. Finance Minister Favour Williams says 20% of the procurement budget has been reserved for MSMEs, but the sector currently secures only about 1% of those contracts because of the challenges with the procurement process. She says the upgraded platform is designed to make bidding for government contracts simpler and more accessible. For a look at the latest market activities, here's Denise Williams.
For the trading period of August 3, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Kingston Wharves Limited with 9,945,322 units representing 23.26% of market sales. Elite Diagnostic Limited with 8,418,227 units representing 19.68% of market sales. Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited shares of 6,535,147 units representing 15.28% of market sales. Investor activity remained concentrated in logistics, transportation, and medical technology plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for August 3, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $159.04 and buying at $158.03. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by $6.79 transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $114.54 and was bought for $107.75. The British pound had continued volatility and offered short-term trading opportunities of $5.42 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $213.55 and was bought for $208.13. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, before you leave your paycheck, build your financial reputation. Many professionals spend years building their careers, but overlook one important asset they will need when they become entrepreneurs: their credit profile. When you have a salary, your income helps prove your ability to meet financial obligations. When you become self-employed, lenders and financial partners often look for other indicators of financial discipline. Your credit report becomes part of your entrepreneurial foundation. A strong credit profile can create opportunities to access financing, negotiate better terms, and manage the early stages of business growth with greater flexibility. The transition from employee to entrepreneur should not begin on the day you resign. It should begin while you still have predictable income and the ability to strengthen your financial position. In our Funded and Focused feature, From a banker's perspective, AI has changed the way we evaluate entrepreneurial dreams. A great idea used to be the starting point of the conversation. Today, AI can help anyone create business ideas, business plans, market research, and financial projections in minutes. That means the question has changed. We're no longer only asking, is this a good idea? We are asking, has the entrepreneur validated the market? Can they manage cash flow? Are their financial records reliable? Do they have the capacity to execute and repay? AI has made starting a business easier. It has also made proving that a business is ready for funding more important. The entrepreneurs who stand out will be those who combine innovation with discipline, data, and financial readiness. Because funding is not just about the dream. It is about the ability to turn that dream into a sustainable business. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital, markets, and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.